In this video, I'll show you how to enable floating windows on your Android phone so that you can open apps in small pop-up windows and multitask between two or more applications at the same time smoothly on the same screen without no need of constant app switching. Simply go to your settings. You can search here floating windows, or you might simply want to go the long way. If you do not want to type, you'll go to accessibility, additional settings. Actually, after getting into additional settings, you need to find floating windows under the special features section. After that, you need to click on the sidebar, and then you'll need to toggle on the always show. After that, you will note that there is a white line that appears on the left of the screen. You need to scroll it from right to left. When you do that, you'll see there are application icons that appear. These are the applications that can appear as floating windows. Maybe I want to go to YouTube, and again I want to use English dictionary in the YouTube application. So you need to click on the icon on the side, and then that's it. That's how you use the floating windows icon. And if floating windows isn't your thing, I'll also link another video in the video description below where I show you how to use split screen mode instead, so you can choose what works best for you. And that's it. Like this video if it helps you, and be productive.